This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to update your Honda Pilot navigation system. First, gather your tools: a computer with a stable internet connection and a USB flash drive. Make sure your USB drive has at least 16 gigabytes of available space. It's also a good idea to note your current navigation system version, which you can usually find in the System Settings menu. This preparation ensures a smooth update process. Next, navigate to the official Honda Navigation Update website using your computer. You'll need to input your Honda Pilot's specific details, such as the model year and VIN, to ensure you download the correct map data. Once identified, proceed to download the update files. It's crucial to save these files directly onto your formatted USB drive, ensuring they are easily accessible for the installation step. Now, take your USB drive to your Honda Pilot. With the vehicle turned on, insert the USB drive into the designated USB port, usually found in the center console. Your navigation system should automatically detect the update files and display on-screen prompts. Carefully follow these instructions to initiate the installation. The entire process typically takes between 30 and 60 minutes, so be patient. Once the installation is complete, restart your Honda Pilot's navigation system. Access the system settings to verify that the new map version is correctly displayed and active. To fully confirm the update, try planning a route to a new or recently added destination. Enjoy your newly updated navigation system, providing you with the latest maps and points of interest for your journeys.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.